So guys, this tool is actually one of the most important ones when it comes to chainsaw milling. This is a bar dresser and you use it to file your guide bar because when you use it and your drive sprockets are being bad, you can see the edge here. If I cover it up, you can clearly see that line. And this one has a 90-degree angle, which is good enough for getting it off. So you basically just file it like this a couple of times. And you can see there that it's a lot better already. If we go back here, you see the double lines. Nothing here. Great tool.